Here we have a rectangular metal container with really thick walls, and we need to find out, first of all, how much water this container can actually contain, and that will be the dimensions of this inner box inside the container. And then we also need to find the volume of the actual walls of this container, which we'll find by taking the outer dimensions of the box, finding the volume of the entire thing, and then subtracting the volume of that smaller inner box. So first of all, let's start with the volume of the inner dimensions, which will help us to find out how much water this container can actually contain. So in order to find the volume, I'm going to call it inner volume, so V sub I, I'm going to write 15 times 36 times 27. So those are the inner dimensions, as you can see, and that will give us 14,580 cubic centimeters. Okay, and now we want to find the volume of the outer dimensions of this box. So we will say 35 times 42 times 20, and that will give us 29,400 cubic centimeters. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the inner volume from the outer volume to find out the volume of the metal. So 29,400 minus 14,580 is equal to 14,820. Okay, so now we found centimeters cubed. Now we found the two volumes that we actually need to work with. So here is the volume, this is the volume that can actually contain water. So this is how much water we can actually put into the container. And this volume here refers to the metal that the box is actually made up of. Now, if you look back, it says that each cubed centimeter of water weighs 1 gram and each cubed centimeter of metal weighs 2 grams. So we need to find the total weight of the container when it is filled with water. So when it's filled with water, we have 14,580 cubic centimeters multiplied by 1 gram for each one of those cubic centimeters. So that just gives us 14,580 grams. As for the metal, each gram weighs 2 grams. Each cubic centimeter weighs 2 grams. So for that, I will say 14,820 cubic centimeters times 2 grams for each of those cubic centimeters, and that gives us 29,640 grams. And now I'm going to add those two together. So 29,640 plus 14,580, and the answer is 44,220 grams.